How you guys doing? This is BZ Broke. Today I want to describe to you guys how I made over £1,000 in less than 24 hours. With no preparation or anything like that, just in a day. So I was able to do this with roughly 14 hours of work. Now you might be wondering, is this repeatable for me, the viewer? The answer is no, not currently. However, don't click off the video just yet, as the same exact offer is very likely to appear in the next few months again. So hear me out. I was able to do this by referring people to sign up on a trading platform called eToro. A couple of days ago they had a promotion where for every referral sign up that you get, and once they've deposited, both parties receive $100 cash. So I initially did this with a really good friend of mine, and we noticed how easy it was. So immediately I took to social media, Snapchat, Instagram stories, etc. And I just posted, if someone wants $100, DM me. Eventually I was able to get around 14 people to sign up and deposit. This process altogether took about 14 hours of my time, as I just spent the entire day sitting in front of the computer, either messaging people for new leads or troubleshooting issues for people that currently deposited and had trouble redeeming their $100. At the time that I decided to act on the offer, it was actually going to expire the very next day, which is why I only managed to do it for about 14 hours. This process was very tedious, however it was extremely well paid. I am sure eToro will do the same exact offer in the near future, as they have done this same exact promotion many times before. If you want to be informed about an offer like this in the future, please add me on my Snapchat or follow me on my Instagram, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, as the next time this exact offer comes out, I will definitely be making a video as soon as it drops. Everything for that will be linked in the description below. Remember to give this video a like and leave a comment to tell me what you think about making money with these kind of methods down below, as I'll be reading every single comment, and your every single like means a lot to me. Now I also wanted to talk about the mentality and attitude that you must adopt when it comes to these kind of things. And by applying that kind of mentality, I want you to be able to find your own way of making that £1,000 a day. I would like to clarify before I go on though, this obviously will become less profitable the more you do it, as your sphere of influence is only so big, right? So eventually you'll run out of people to refer. However, with the same mentality, you can find other offers on different sites and just be able to find your own way of making money rather than relying on a fixed method. Just know that if you do something like this where it's a referral program, your progress would look something like this. Now, my progress kind of looked like that as well, because towards the end of the day, I was just running out of leads and I just ran out of people to message, basically. Anyways, with these kinds of things, you must be extremely patient and adopt the mentality of actually just, going for it and giving it a good go. For example, with the $100 referral program from eToro, some of the people that I asked, they wanted to do it, but they just wasn't bothered to go through with the whole process of submitting your documents and verifying your account and then depositing $200 on top of that as well. This was quite strange to me, because I understand there's an inherent risk factor, but it's that they agreed to do that, but they just couldn't really be bothered. I found this really strange. I mean, it's $100 on the table. It's not crazy amounts of money, but it's a good amount of money for half an hour of bureaucracy? This made me think in general, how much money can I really save or make if I'm just bothered in general? You must think like this if you want to be able to make money or save money through these methods. This is because no company will want to just give away free things and give away value, especially in the case of $100 cash. They will always make the process as difficult and as convoluted as possible to really test a person's commitment and to filter out any person that they deem unserious and is a quote-unquote unserious buyer. This is all done to reduce the amount of value they lose. For example, to claim your $100 from eToro, you must first sign up with your email, verify your email, submit a document to prove your identity, which either means a photo of your driver's license or passport, and then you'd have to submit a document for proof of address. This generally means a utility bill or a bank statement. After you verify your account, you then must deposit $200, which is around 155 or 160 pounds, into your account, open and close a trade, and then can you get your $100, and then you can make the withdrawal. You see, this process is very convoluted and prevents a large number of percentage of the population from doing this. For example, people who do not have the $200 or don't have identification, or the most common, just don't have the time or the desire to actually go forth with this. So just by being bothered rather than expecting companies to give you things or sell to you at a discount for absolutely nothing, you can stay ahead of a vast majority of the population. This persistence will be extremely beneficial to you when it comes to trying to make money in this way. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I really do hope you guys try to apply this mentality to every single aspect of your life. And hopefully it will save you guys a lot of money. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let me know how you guys are going to save or make money with the methods I have outlined above. See you all next week.